Dalvin, very good. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Come on, children, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. All of you, I don't want anyone to sit. Vidyut, you can see what you are doing. Ready? Shall we start? Yeah, come on. Kidsy anthem.
Kidsy anthem. Lord, me, Lord, fly, Lord, Lord,
Yes, open up your eyes. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Yes, unmute and tell me a big good morning, children. Good morning. Yes, after this vacation, yes, you are going to have your vacation. Then how will I hear your good morning? Come on, a loud, bright good morning to ma'am. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Okay. Yeah, good morning. Okay, what is the celebration today, children? Good morning. What is the celebration today? Christmas and Christmas and what? Christmas as well as yeah, New Year. You can look at the board. Christmas and New Year celebration. Okay. So what do you get it in your mind as soon as I say the word Christmas?
Daddy.
Yes? One by one. One by one. Okay. First Karthikeyan. Come on, tell me Karthikeyan. What will you remember when I say the word Christmas? Pranita, mute yourself, ma. Yes, tell me Karthikeyan. Wait, ma, wait, ma. Let her unmute, wait. Now tell me. Plum cake, Achcho. Okay, next is Vidyut. Vidyut. What do you remember when I say the word Christmas?
Ma'am, couldn't hear
Christmas.
you, ma'am.
Christmas means what do you get in your mind? Now can you hear me? Everyone is able to hear me?
Santa Claus cap kare.
Okay.
He's saying Santa Claus, ma'am.
Santa Claus. Very good. The main highlight is Santa Claus. Then cake, Santa Claus. Then who else? Who is going to answer? Let me see. Harshini. Yeah, Harshini. Gifts. Gifts. Very good. Dev Krish. Dev Krish. Huh? Christmas tree. Very good. Christmas tree. Then? Huh? Star. Very good. Then anything else? Star, colorful lights, gifts, cake, Santa Claus, and then
Christmas பண்ணா
Christmas
எங்களுக்கு star
song,
வாங்கி எடுத்து தூக்கிட்டு
jingle bell song.
வீட்ல
Right, everything you get it into your mind when I say the word Christmas. Yes? So, today we are going to celebrate our Christmas and as well as our New Year also. Okay? So, we'll first finish off with our attendance and then we'll start. First is Darshika. Darshika. Absent. Huh? Dev Krish.
My name is Deepak. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Danvin.
My name is Dhanmita. I am in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Dikshan.
My name is Siddhartha. I am 4 years old. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good. Dikshan. Farnaz. Absent today. Harshini.
My name is Asani. I am studying in junior KG. I am 6 girl. I am 4 years old.
Okay. Janavi. Janavi.
Yes, ma'am. My name is
Hmm.
Jan Singh Junior KG Critical. Thank you, ma'am.
Karthikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Karan. So that's what I told.
Kavyani. Kavyani.
Ma'am, here I am, Manila. Ma'am, my name is Karyani. I'm studying in junior KG.
Yes,
I'm
where is your good day, Kavyani? You didn't even wish ma'am good morning today. Why? Looking very pretty with your cap and all. Very nice. Good.
Ma'am.
Okay, night take.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good night take.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Nukshita. Nukshita, tell me your attendance, Nukshita.
My name is Nukshita. I'm studying junior KG. I'm first. I'm
Very good,
kissing.
Nukshita. Pranita. Pranita.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Pranita. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Pranita. Rohita. Rohita. Rohita is absent today, ma. Ritvik. Ritvik.
Ma'am, I am studying in junior KG. My name is Ritvik.
I am studying in.
I am studying in junior KG.
Okay. Nitila.
I am Kiddy Boy.
Ah, kidsy boy. Nitila.
Yes, studying in junior KG. I am Rizal.
Very good. Satvika. Satvika.
My name is Satika Sri. I am studying in junior KG. I am
Very good. Very good. Siddharth. Siddharth. That is also absent. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying at junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Tilakar. Vishank.
Good morning, ma'am. Say good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, Vishank. Very nice dress, Vishank. Tell me your attendance.
My name is Vishnu.
My name is Vishank.
Mm.
I'm studying in
Mm.
junior KG.
Very good. Vivan. 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 Hey, Vivan. What happened to Vivan? Vivan is very angry with Vanilla, ma'am.
What happened? Say attendance to teacher.
Your name is Vedanta. Chicho, I thought your name is Vivan. Ah, smiled, ah. Okay. Good, Vivan. Vidyut, keep smiling like that, Vivan. Vidyut.
Correct.
Vidyut.
Sound is correct.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hmm.
Junior KG 4 years old.
Okay, my name is Vidyut. You forgot again. Okay, Zadi. Lakshana. Okay. Yeah, come on, tell me. Old, very good. I request all the parents to take a snap of them. If they are having a Santa cap, along with the Santa cap, take a snap and send it in group. Okay, parents? Okay, children. Okay, I first want all of you to close your eyes. I'm going to show you something what we have decorated in our school. Okay? Yes, come on, close your eyes. When I tell you to open your eyes only, you should open. Okay? Close your eyes with both of your hands. Okay. Open your eyes, children, now. What do you see here? What do you see here? Come on, answer. What do you see here? Christmas tree. Can you see the Christmas tree? Yes, and here this is the notice board. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Notice board, okay? 1 minute, children. And this is our board decoration which I have done. Yes, what can you see here, children? Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yes, this is what we have decorated in school today, okay? அது ஜன்னல் எல்லாம் இருக்கு. Okay. Yes, did you see the Christmas tree? Was it nice? Yes or no? Yes? Anyone? Super. Very nice. Very cute. Thank you so much. Okay, now I'm going to say you some information about Christmas, okay? Okay, why do we celebrate Christmas, children? We celebrate Christmas for the birth of Jesus Christ, okay? Wait a minute, can you see my screen? Is everyone able to see my screen? No, huh?
Now it's visible, ma'am.
Now it's visible? Yeah, for the birth of Jesus Christ, we are celebrating Christmas. And Christmas denotes sharing and caring, okay? We share gifts, we share love with everyone. And what do we get from Santa Claus? We get lot of gifts from Santa Claus, okay? So for this purpose, we celebrate Christmas. And in what season we celebrate Christmas, children? It comes in the winter season. You can see the snow falling down, right? Comes in the winter season. Every year we celebrate it on December 25th. Okay? And next, following Christmas, we celebrate New Year. This is the year 2020. Okay, next, what is the year, children? 2021. You can see here. 2021. 2021. Okay. And on behalf of this, I am going to show you some glimpse of what we have done in this year. Okay. Shall we see that? Yeah, see here. What is this? What is this? You all talked about your transport, right? You all brought your toys and talked about it, right? Here, Vivan. Vidyut. And who is this hiding the face? Who is this? Kartikeyan. Yeah, it's Kartikeyan. And this is Darshika. Nitila. Okay, and then glimpse of seminar. See here, regarding transport, okay? And then this is Rohita. You can see the name also who have presented it, okay? And next is seminar done by Tarnika. Concept is birds. Next is, who's this? Who's this, children? Yeah, Dev Krish. Concept is insects. He did a chart and he explained about insects. And who's this girl? Who's this girl? Children, your friend and who's this girl? Huh? Janavi. Dhanvin. You're saying everyone's name. Where is Janavi?
Jahanavi, ma'am.
Janavi, ma'am. And then who is this? Nightic. Yeah, he explained about transport. Yeah. Who's that? Good morning. Zeddy. Good morning, Zeddy. And next is Vidyut. This is done by Vidyut. He did seminar regarding communication, okay? And next is Satvika Sri. Satvika. This presentation was done by you, Satvika. Satvika, your face is also visible here. You can see down here. Here is Satvika. Okay, next presentation was by Ritvik. Ritvik, your face is also visible here. You can see. Ritvik. Pollution, on the concept pollution. Ritvik, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, see here. And next is Siddharth. Siddharth is absent today, but this was presented by Siddharth. He too did a seminar regarding pollution. Noise pollution and all. And next is Karthikeyan. Where is Karthikeyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this presentation was done by you. See here, your face is also visible here.
Yes, ma'am.
And next is Farnaz regarding community helpers. Policeman, barber and all. And this one was done by, can you guess who did this? Animal concept?
Ashini.
Yeah, Harshini. Harshini's face is also visible there. And next is Darshika. Regarding animals, types of animals. Next is Dikshan. Dikshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, your presentation, types of pollution. And then next is Vivan. Vivan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is yours. And this one. Come on. For what we did this? Come on, tell me.
Child safety.
Very good, Tarnika. Excellent, Kana. Yeah, for child safety only we did this, okay? You all remember that? We did a mask and we asked you to take a snap and send it, right? Those are send the snap of yourself is here. Okay? Finally, that's it. And that's it. Already for the 100th day, I have presented you many of the clippings. So this time, only this much I have. Okay, now all of you are ready for your dance. Are you all ready? Yes, come on. I want all of you to stand up, children. Come on. Stand up. Yeah, come on, stand up. Yeah, well done, children. Very good. You all have done it very well. And now I want you to close your eyes again. Keep standing. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. No cheating at all.
Ma'am,
Yes, Eddie.
ma'am, Daddy is crying, ma'am.
Why?
He wants you one more time, ma'am.
Yeah, one more time I'm going to play. Don't worry about that. Okay? Zeddy, I'm going to play it one more time, Zeddy. Don't worry, okay?
Yes, ma'am. No, thank you.
Come on, close your eyes. I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes. All of you should close your eyes. Then only I'll show you what the surprise is. Come on, close your eyes, everyone. Close. No cheating. Close your eyes, Zeddy. Come on, close. Now I'm going to play it for you, Zeddy. Close your eyes. Everyone, no cheating at all. Harshni is cheating. Close. If I see any one of you cheating also, no surprise for you. Yes, ready? Wait a minute. Cheating नहीं करना. Close. Eyes close करो. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, close your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Harshni. Close.
मैम नहीं करेगी.
Steady. When I tell you to open your eyes, only you should open, children. Close. I'll be back.
నేను శాంటా క్లాస్ పోయి
Santa Claus. Santa Claus.
Yes, children. Did you all see the Santa Claus? Yes? Yes. Were you all happy to see him? Were you all happy to see Santa Claus? Yes, Daddy. Now happy. Yeah, very good, children. And now shall we start doing our craft? Come on, take your craft materials in your hand. Take your craft materials in your
போய்
hand.
வந்து எல்லாருக்கும் ஹாய் பண்ணிட்டு போய் ட்ரெஸ்ஸൊക്കെ അയച്ചു വെക്കും.
Take your craft materials, children. Circle, circles, star. Take it.
ഒരു അങ്കിളോ അല്ല മാമോ തന്നെ ക്രിസ്മസ്
First.
വരും.
Okay. First, you are going to take the big
chocolate
circle. You have two big circles, right? Take the biggest two circles and you fold it into half. Children, you have to fold it on your own. Okay? You have to concentrate on the edges like this and fold it into half. Yes? Yeah. All the circles you have to fold it like that. Fold all the circles like that. And keep it separately according to the size, okay?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma, Nukshita. Yes, ma? No paper. Okay, if you don't have paper, you just see how we are doing, okay? Afterwards, you do it and you send a photo of it, okay? All the circles, ma'am is also folding it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Nukshita. And then if you are having the ice cream stick or cardboard, whatever it is, take it. The cardboard. First, take the two big circles. Okay, and you have to paste it here. Parallelly, okay? Like this parallelly, you have to paste it. Next one. First one, finish sticking the first one. It will be like this. Okay? And then above that, the next biggest one. Biggest one we have already sticked it, right? The next one you have to take it. Don't take the smaller one. The next bigger one you have to take it. Stick it above like this. And finally, the small one. Yeah, try to do it on your own, children. Focus and do it. And then finally the star on top of it. Look like this. And then if you are having thermocol balls, you can stick it, or else if you have some cotton also, take little bit of cotton, roll it and stick it, okay? Yes. Finished. Very good, Vidyut. 1 minute, Vidyut. I'll also finish it, okay? Yeah, one by one. Wait, wait, wait. Vidyut, you did it on your own or your mama helped you? Here, I to stick my thermocols here. Like this it should be, okay? Come on, try it.
We don't know the
പിടിച്ചെടുക്കണ്ട.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'll call everyone one by one, okay? Yeah, Vidyut. Vidyut, show me. Little bit. Your face is not visible, Vidyut. Now. Be like that. Little bit down. Yeah, correct. Stop. Correct. Good. Very good. Next is Hashini. Hashini. 1 minute, Hashini.
vanilla man.
Yes. 1 minute, ma. Side. Keep it in your side, ma, Hashini. Your face is not visible. Yeah, good. Good. Okay, next is Janavi.
Here.
Yeah, 1 minute, ma, Janavi. Okay, Janavi. Side, little bit to your side, ma. I can't see your face. Like this, you should. See, children, everyone should not show like this. If you show like this, can you see my face? No, no, like this. The side you should show. Okay? Yeah, good. Janavi over. Next is Pranita. Pranita. Come on, show me your tree, Pranita. Little bit down. Very good. Stop. Yeah, I have taken 1 minute. 1 minute, ma. Next is Danvin. Where is Danvin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute then. Little bit up. Lift your tree up. Little bit down. Here side near your face. Like that. Yeah, good. Thank you, Danvin. Next, who else finished, children? Nightic finish?
Yes.
And everybody show me your tree like this 1 minute. Yeah, everyone show me your tree like this, children. On a group I'll take. Ready? Don't hide your face, children. Side. To the side you have to show. Yes, very good, Karthikeyan. Like that only. Nightic. What is this, Nightic? What are you doing? Okay, good. Okay, next is Nitik, right?
Nidila ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute, ma. I'll finish off with Nitik and then I'll come. Yes, Nitik. Good. I've taken yours, Nitik. Thank you. Kartikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on. Yeah, taken. I've taken, ma. Next. Nitila.
Ma'am, Christmas
Yeah.
ma'am.
Lift your tree, ma. Lift your tree and show me.
Got it.
Yeah, good. At the side of your face, children. Yeah, side.
ನೀರು ಬೇಯುವುದಿಲ್ಲ
தண்ணி வச்சுக்கா முகத்தை மறைக்கா
Yeah, good. Next, who else? Dikshan. Dikshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Dikshan. Yeah, very good, Dikshan. Next is Vivan. Vivan. Where is Vivan? Vivan, little bit back. Keep your tree little bit back. Near your face, yeah. Near your face. Like that. Very good, Vivan. Well done, Vivan. Good boy. Yeah, Tarnika next. Come on. 1 minute, I'll pin you and take weight, Tarnika. Yeah, I've taken. Good. Next, who else, children? Dev Krish. Dev Krish. Wait a minute. Yeah, very good. Hey, it's a little bit different. Like strawberry flower, it is. Sorry, fruit. Okay, next. Next, who else?
I'm Satvika.
Yeah, Satvika. 1 minute. Satvika, you're hiding your face. Nice, eh? Wow, Satvika. Satvika's mom, did you take a snap of her?
Yeah, ma'am. I
Yeah,
have.
good. Yeah, send it in group, okay? Without fail.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Next, who else, children? Did I forget anyone? Kavyani, yeah. Children, if I have not taken you, please call me, okay?
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
hiding your face, ma Kavyani. Yeah, little bit down. Good. Yeah, I've taken. Very good. Next,
Ritvik ma'am.
Ritvik. Very good, Ritvik. Thank you. Next. Who else finished? Zeddy finish? Dikshin, Karthikeyan, Nitek. And then Pranita, I finished. Danvin finished. Janavi. Vishank. Vishank. Did you finish your craft, Vishank?
Doing, ma'am. 1 minute.
Doing. Okay, I'll wait. Who else, children? Did I miss anyone? Lakshana? Lakshana. I think Lakshana also I didn't take. Lakshana? Where is she? Lakshana, where are you, Lakshana? Lakshana, show me your tree. Lakshana, go back, ma. Go back and show me.
Back. Very good.
Little bit back. Little bit to your right. Move to your, yes. Good. Very good. Okay, thank you, Lakshana.
இப்படி காமிக்கணும் மேம் இப்படி காமிச்சா இப்படி காமி இப்படி காமி
Yes, finish. Anyone didn't take any snap? Please let me know.
அது நல்லா பெருசா சர்க்கிள் கட் பண்ணி நல்லா பண்ணிருக்காங்க மத்தவங்க எல்லாம்
Only Vishank is left. Okay, Vishank, let me know when you finish it, Vishank. Okay. Can anyone sing Jingle Bell song for me? Vivan, will you sing? Vivan.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Over bells swing on the day. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Over little wire, Mama's on the day. Hey, what a kangaroo! What a kangaroo!
Dashing through the snow. Dashing through the snow.
அவ்வளவுதான்
Come
மேம்.
on, that's all you know. Anyone know the Jingle Bell song? No one? Oh my God. Okay, we'll play it, okay? By the time, finish it, Vishank.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Jingle all the way. It's the boss.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, the dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight! Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Now the ground is bright, go as while you're young. Take the girls tonight, sing a sleighing song. Get a bobtail babe, 240 for a speed, and hitch him to an open sleigh, and you will take the lead. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh! Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh!
And that's it, children. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year, okay? And a very prosperous New Year. Yeah, Vishank, finish, ma? Okay, once you finish it, take a snap and send it to me if it's taking time, okay? Yes, Vishank's dad? Yes?
Go, Vishank.
Finish. Nice. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, good. Very nice, Vishank. Well done. Okay, thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. Wish you a very happy Christmas and a very happy New Year. Bye, children. We'll see you after the vacation. Okay, after the vacation, we'll see you.